Let's see how to fetch events from your Google Calendar and invoice your customers in Zoho Inventory. Imagine you own a business that offers services such as carpentry and electrical works. Your customers approach you for help in repairing things around the house. You assign a staff member who is relevant to the job and they note down the repairs in Google Calendar. At the end of the day or month, you can fetch the events from the calendar to the invoice the customers for the work done. In this video, we will cover the following topics. Let's get started. First, let's install the Google Calendar extension from Zoho Marketplace. Go to Marketplace and search for Google Calendar for Zoho Inventory in the search bar. In the page that follows, install the extension. Click Install at the top right corner. In the pop-up that appears, read and agree to the terms and conditions of your vendor and Zoho Marketplace and click Install. Select the organization from the drop-down. Then, read and agree to the terms and conditions and click Next. Now you will need to authorize your Zoho Inventory and Google Calendar connection. To authorize Google Calendar, hover the cursor over Google Calendar and click Connect. Go ahead and click Connect again. Zoho Flow requires access to fetch your data from the app, so click Connect. Kindly note that you will have to sign in to your Google account. If you don't have one, sign up to create a new Google account. Now, let's authorize your Zoho Inventory. Hover the cursor over Zoho Finance Suite and click Connect. Go ahead and click Connect again. Zoho Flow requires access to fetch your data from the app. Therefore, click Accept to continue. Then, click Next. In the following page, select the calendar in which you want to track the events and click Install Extension. That's it. You have successfully installed the extension. Let's import events from your Google Calendar and invoice them in Zoho Inventory. To do this, log into your Zoho Inventory account. Go to Invoices and click the plus icon here to create a new invoice. Select the customer name, invoice number, and invoice date. In the Items Details section, click the drop-down next to Add New Row and select Add Events. The Google Calendar extension will list down all the events with the date and time. You can search for the event or sort it by date or time. You can also add events from any previous period and then invoice them. Select the event and click Add to Invoice. The selected events will be added as line items. Update the SAC code, enter the quantity, rate, and tax details. Then, save and send the invoice to your customer. That's it. You have successfully invoiced the events in your Google Calendar. The invoiced event will be changed to billed status in your Google Calendar. If you wish to uninstall the Google Calendar extension for any reason, you can do so. Let's see how. Go to Settings and select Marketplace. Switch to the Installed Extension tab and click View Details. Click Uninstall at the top right corner. That's it for now, folks. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you.